Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a nail video. Today we are doing Instagram picks out my nails. Is that the right word? Instagram decides my nails. So I put a poll on my Instagram, a couple polls, to help me decide what I want to do with my nails. Okay, the first poll I did was, should I do my nails short or long? I have tips I'm going to be using to do both because right now my nails are horrible, and this one is really horrible because I shut it in the door and I lost part of my nail. Anyways, the verdict was 60. Can you even see that? The verdict was 67% short and 33% long. So we're gonna be doing short nails. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back to the next verdict. I started prepping my nails. I did the cuticle remover. Now I have to buff. This is my handy dandy drill. I'm gonna buff my nails with this, and then I'm gonna take my tips that I got. These are very thin, flexible ones. I'll link them in the description, and I'm gonna cut them to be short for the nails because that's what everybody decided I should do.
Left a scar glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go?
Okay, length check. Now the next poll is one or multiple colors, and the verdict is 40% multiple colors, 53% one color. So we're gonna be doing one. And the color I'm gonna be doing, obviously it's in the picture, white. The gel dip I'm using is called Peppy Gel, if you can see that. Pepper gel, pepper gel, pepper gel. Comes with 3 things. This is their old one. I haven't got a new one yet. 1, 2, and 3. This one you use to, you put on your nail, then you dip your color in, or I use it to also with adding my tips. Then once you get all your color on, then you activate it with the number 2, then you buff it out, and then you finish it with a number 3. So let's get to it.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away. Since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance.
You got that done. Now the last poll is whether to do glitter on top or matte. Glitter, matte, glitter, matte, glitter, matte. And the verdict was 41% glitter, 59% matte. So we're gonna be doing matte today. So I'm gonna top off my nails with this matte top coat from OPI.
Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
Look at that, no more shine. And here is the finished nails for my Instagram pics my nails. Short, one solid color, and matte. What do you think? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Take a chance on faith, so take a chance.